Hello, my mahogany mavens. It is makeup time. Honey, today I did this little red, yellow, and green look. Something modest, not bright red, but you know. And I would love for you to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're going to have more content. And just enjoy the video. Love you so much, mahogany mavens. Hello, my mahogany mavens. It is makeup time. Honey, today we're going to get into something a little retro. I'm going to try my best to actually do some lashes on camera. Going to do a popping red lip and some lashes. No need to waste time, y'all. It's time to get busy. We're going to take our time on this one, though. But before we get started, stop right now. Everybody freeze. Everybody freeze. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Please. I am asking you kindly. I need the subscriptions. Let's get down to business. Okay, y'all, so I've already prepped and primed using this Ruby Kisses primer, poreless primer from the beauty supply store, and using this Ruby Kisses setting spray. That helps to dry out the oil and also helps the makeup to set along the way. I'm learning, okay? So now I'm going to use this LA Colors Lash Glue actually, no, I take that back. I just got this Tony Lash Glue from Dollar Tree, and I am going to use this to prime the eyebrows so they lay down.
Then I'm going to come back through with my LA Colors spoolie and pencil to fill in the eyebrows. Okay, so I'm liking this Tony Lash Glue. Y'all, it's Friday night, so we're going to take our time. Tracing the bone underneath the brow. Reach for the sky, bring it back down. Making a parallel line. That one looks a little funky, but we'll clean it up with the concealer. gradient eyebrow, filling in the front end lighter and the back end darker. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer for the top part of the brow, and I'm going to use this NYX concealer for the bottom so that I won't have a halo eyebrow, but I'll have that highlight on the brow bone. Then I'm going to also take the NYX and highlight the T-line on my face. Then we're going to come back through with the foundation. Then we'll get down to the details. Let's get busy. Okay, so now we're going to do the bridge of the nose all the way down to the chin. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to lay the foundation. We're going to use this 30 Hour Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and the color is 340 Cappuccino. Getting all the edges.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so next step, it's time to highlight, contour, bronze, blush, mascara, then liner, then lashes, then lips. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we're not gonna do the lashes. I decided not to do the lashes. I'm just gonna get some thicker, better lashes and try it then. Maybelline. Okay, y'all, this is our look for today, and I am just loving it, loving it, loving it. This is the Maybelline Green Edition lipstick, and I used a little bit on the cherries. We used Prolux to highlight and NYX. We used Maybelline for the foundation, and we used LA Colors for the brows. It's time to set using our, It's time to set using our Ruby Kissy setting spray. we are all done, my mahogany mavens. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Until next time, please make sure you subscribe. Subscribe now. Everybody stop. Subscribe. Subscribe now. Love you so much, and I'll see you again soon. One last thing. Let's see what it looks like without the light. It matches the skin tone. See? Yes, and I love it. Until next time.